I left my home 15 years ago, and this is my home now. I have 2 daughters and 1 son. And my husband, we have 5 of my family. It really feels home. When we come here, I really don't feel we don't have roots here, because not we will live here, but now I feel we have roots here. Our roots is under this ground. I feel that now. Yeah. My dream is now I have 3 children and 5 family. 4 of us have permanent residence, but my son cannot have a permanent residence yet. So I want, my hope is, my dream is 3 of them have a good family in this town and live together and do work together. Yeah. And now he doesn't. We have a little bit worry. He doesn't have the place to live, so it's the biggest concern to me. Family can see each other all the time. I think family shouldn't live away. How to say? Yeah. I'm happy to be here, but the only one heavy something in my heart because my son. That problem finished, we are really happy. Yeah.